Pre-roof inspection typically includes an analysis of your entire roofing system. We'll check the flashing. If you have a chimney, the chimneys are notorious for leaking, and so we'll go around the flashing areas on the chimneys, inspect that to make sure that that's good. We'll inspect the shingles themselves to see if they have any signs of hail. If they have any signs of granule loss, that's another indicator that the roof could need replacement. Checking the vents, make sure that they're all sealed around, and also checking to see if there's any trees that have been rubbing on the roofing. A lot of times trees will get a little out of control, and so you want to make sure to keep those things back. So those are some of the typical things that we look for as we're doing a roof inspection.